Welcome to Study with Flow. In today's video, we are going to learn about feature engineering. Now, what exactly is this feature engineering? Feature engineering is the process of using domain knowledge to extract features, characteristics, properties, attributes from raw data. Basically, we are trying to extract different features from our data. We can transform our data, we can reduce the number of columns in our data. For all these things, we need industry expertise or the business domain knowledge. Now, let us consider our cars example, which we have been using for handling missing values, outliers, and everything. Now, let us see how does the cars dataset look like. So df dot head, let's run this. So you have all these columns with you. Now, if you observe these columns over here, that is we